Are you a business owner struggling with a leaking roof or costly maintenance? Is your facility's productivity suffering due to roofing issues? Introducing our expert factory roofing solutions designed specifically for industrial and commercial properties. We specialize in high-quality roofing systems that provide durability, energy efficiency, and long-lasting protection for your business. With a team of skilled professionals and years of industry experience, we ensure that your roofing challenges are addressed promptly and effectively. Imagine a roof that not only shields your assets, but also reduces energy costs and minimizes downtime. Our comprehensive services cover everything from roof inspections and repairs to complete installations of advanced roofing systems tailored to meet your specific needs. We understand that a secure roof is essential for your business's success and peace of mind. Take the first step towards a secure future by contacting us today and experience the tranquility that comes with a reliable roofing solution. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.